thank you. Good to meet you all this afternoon. A little bit about myself. My name is Amit Khanna. I'm an investment manager at Ariadne Capital. Prior to starting there, I was a corporate lawyer for a number of years and then decided to go to the dark side, as you've already said, and went into investing, having a little bit of background before in digital marketing and also worked for a venture builder here in London. So I'll give you a bit of a background about Ariadne Capital and how the fund works and what we look for in a couple of our companies. So Ariadne Capital started 15 years ago in 2000. It was set up by Julie Mayer, who many will know is a prominent businesswoman and a champion of the entrepreneur. The aim was to be a corporate finance and advisory firm, helping high-growth digital businesses with the game-changing technologies at the time. We were lucky enough to be involved with Skype, monetising Zopa during our time, and I'll give you a little bit more of a feel for the different business lines of firms involved in. So like I say, we do corporate finance advisory work, so that's both buy side and sell side, and also help entrepreneurs to raise money. Our sweet spot would be around sort of 1 to 10 million of a raise. And we're again to work with a lot of game-changing businesses, one of which was Beat That Quote, who we sold to Google, who are very high EBITDA multiple. Another part of the business is something called Entrepreneur Country Global, which is a community which connects innovative entrepreneurs and companies such as yourselves with corporates who want to access that innovation, and also with investors as well. And that online community is about 200,000 strong, and what it does, there's content that's generated through that thought leadership which is shared. There is also events which connect the startups with the corporates and help them to work together. One of the theories is kind of like David meeting Goliath, so having the startup with enabling technology to help those corporates win in their markets. So moving on to what the Ariadne Capital Entrepreneurs Fund. This is a late seed stage fund which was set up in 2012. Broadly, the remit is to invest between $500,000 to $1 million in enterprise SaaS companies with a particular focus in adtech, fintech, smart cities and transportation and retail. What we would look for is traction, so we would look for within those B2B SaaS companies, annual revenues of say minimum 250,000. What else are we looking for? We would look to invest $500,000 to $1 million in those companies to help them, and we would look for a strong founding team, looking at strong products, looking at strong sales, also looking at the market, it's an attractive market, and then within that, what is special about you? What can sort of make you win in that market that choose to pick you over others? Which then, like I say, largely comes down to your team and the strength and depth of that team. Now, what I think makes us a little bit different to some of the kind of VCs out there, or maybe it's due to our history, is the fact that about 15 years of expertise has developed Ariadne into a platform whereby you have the investment that comes through the fund, but you can also access the corporates and the other investors who will be useful for one, helping you to scale up your proposition with a distribution partner. They may end up being a natural acquirer, and also you have other investors who might well come alongside us or will invest later down the line. We've got a sort of strong management experience on the team in the investment committee, over 25 years of running businesses and also investing in businesses. I think we are quite active with our portfolio companies. We've looked at, like many have mentioned, there are a lot of challenges once you get that money in it, like later seed stage, really develop it, really get into getting clients on your books and growing all those challenges of recruitment, gaining traction. Those are things we will actively try to help you with. If there's anyone within that network we developed, we will connect you with them to help you. And I think also the transactional experience with corporate finance advisor is helpful, whether it's looking at when you're doing the deal itself or other deals down the line when you kind of grow with that. So just a little bit more, one thing that's kind of like a theory we use when we look at companies, we look at trying to find digital enablers. So that's kind of like enabling technology, which can help these companies become very fast growth, which enables corporates to leverage new revenue streams. So I'll give you an example of that with two of the portfolio companies we've got, which will kind of hopefully make sense of what we look for in our portfolio companies. One of which is called Textile. Now this is a B2B SaaS that's involved with e-commerce, so retail, travel, and other subsectors within sort of retail. Now what that helps with is to drive conversion on site. So in real time, so we can tell you information about what stocks are kind of left in the particular product, what is trending, and the whole aim is to help these retailers leverage that technology to grow, and then also give the company Tagstar's technology that distribution platform to kind of like grow and become a huge business. So that's one. Another one I'll mention is Quill, which is content as a service. So this provides content in any language to brands. So it helps that content, helps these brands to engage with their consumers, whether it's actually on their platform site or within their marketing capability. And what we look for there, when we were looking at the deal, was one, it's a very good proposition. It did fit that kind of like David and Goliath helping these sort of large companies sort of gain strength through the enabling technology that Quill provided. And also the entrepreneur. Like I said, the most important thing is you here to house for how you will execute the business plans you've got in place. So the founder of that company was a very successful entrepreneur 3 times and called Ed Bussey, and we thought he was a great person to lead the company. So very that much, I'll not ramble on too long. I'd love to hear more from you about if anything that fits with your businesses, and I'll be around for the next couple of hours. Thank you.